When my tummy feels funny, I know it's time to go. I hop up from my chair and walk real slow to the potty, yes, I know what to do. I sit down nice and comfy, mommy says I'm proud of you. Take a breath, don't be shy. You're a big kid, give it a try. Little steps, every day you can do it, hip hooray! Potty time, let's go potty, feeling fine. Sit right down, take your time, you can do it, shine, shine, shine. Potty time, you're a star, a friend of mine. Clap your hands, shout yay! We learn potty every day. When I'm done, I stand up and flush it all away. Wash my hands with bubbles, I'm clean for the day. To the potty, I'm getting good, you'll see. Mommy smiles so brightly, wow, you did amazingly! Don't be scared, don't delay. Try again, it's a-okay. Step by step, we learn and play. Let's say potty every time! Potty time, let's go potty, doing fine. Big kid now, watch you shine. You can do it every time. Potty time, dance around, you're doing great. Hug yourself